Thursday, Cooking with Kevin, and this week we are baking cookies. Monster Cake Mix cookies. And yes, once again, brought to you by Catherine's Plate. Like I said, I'm just a cook. The boss tells me what to cook. So what do we need? Large mixing bowl. Well, I'm going to use our mixer. Sheet pans, a 2-inch cookie scoop. I don't have a 2-inch cookie scoop, so I'll just be using a spoon. Our ingredients are 1 box of yellow cake mix, dry. Well, I don't have yellow, but I do have a white one. 1 large egg, 3/4 cup butter softened, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1/2 cup peanut butter, 2 cups of quick cooking oats, 1/2 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1/4 cup of mini M&Ms, and a 1/2 cup chopped walnuts, peanuts, pecans, or other favorite nuts. You're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and once you're ready to put them in the oven, we're going to bake them for 14 to 16 minutes. This is one of the easiest baking recipes I'm telling you that I'm going to do, because basically the instructions say in a large mixing bowl combine dry cake mix, brown sugar, egg, milk, oats, peanut butter, chocolate chips, M&Ms, and chopped nuts until mixed well. So we're basically throwing everything in, turning on the mixer, and once it's done, put them on the cookie sheets. All right. Oh, sorry, I got itchy nose. Okay, I'm back. Okay. One cake mix, 2 cups of our quick oats, and what I'm going to actually do, going to kind of mix the cake mix and the oats up. Okay. Then we're going to have chips, mini M&Ms, brown sugar, Kelly's making a mess again.
That's nothing new.
Yeah. Our peanut butter. One thing I did is sprayed my half cup with some Pam. I actually still have a little bit of baking Pam left, so you should add up. Get some butter in here. And our egg. Oh, minus the shell. Oh, and the milk. Oh, almost forgot the milk. Okay, now that got a little bit of egg on my hands, it makes that milk container slippery. right. Yeah, we're gonna turn it on and mix it. So I don't think I need to bore you guys with the mixing. When it's all done, and I'm ready to put it on the cookie sheet, I'll bring you back. Okay, it's done mixing here. I'm just getting some of this cookie mix off the, I don't know what you call this, blade of the mixer. So one thing I don't have is a 2-inch scoop. So we're just gonna...
What about that one that we have? Is that...
Well, I think it's too big.
Oh.
Yeah, it's only supposed to be like a little 2-inch. That's alright. That's... I can roughly get... Alright, so what we're gonna do, roughly a 2-inch size here. We're gonna place cookie doughs in mounds and on the parchment paper or spray your cookie sheet, and we're gonna flatten out the cookie a little bit. Yeah. Leaving about, it says about a 1/4 inch space between the cookies. There, kind of like that. Okay. So, I'm going to continue doing this. And when these are ready to taste test, we'll bring you back. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yum yum.
Well, so I have a lighter batch or a slightly darker batch, but that's okay. I even got one for you.
I was gonna say.
No.
I was just about to say thanks for offering me any.
You can have it after we're done. Okay, folks, that's it. What were these cookies called again? I don't know. Rewind the video. Cake mix cookies. Okay. I should have remembered before I sat down, but I got a short memory, so. Okay, folks, thanks for stopping in again this week. Like I always end the video. I don't know what I'm going to make next week, but Kelly will let me know. Have a good week.